The first way the HP Latex 700 and 800 printer series helps you win is by giving you access to the widest possible range of high-value jobs. You can deliver high image quality on every job thanks to the new HP Latex ink with a higher pigment load. With more pigment in every drop, you can produce more vivid colors, most noticeably reds and deep blacks, which can be used to create striking contrasts. Further quality comes from the newest HP Latex printheads, whose new architecture features micro-recirculation within the nozzle. 10 picoliter ink drops so you can consistently produce sharp 4-point text and barcodes, and non-circular nozzles for greater control of each drop of ink compared to previous HP Latex printheads. In addition, you have access to the widest range of applications HP Latex provides, from everyday vinyl and banners to high-value applications such as decoration, textiles, and more. This is down to the printer's modular inkset, which is made up of an overcoat, color, and optimizer. The printer will automatically set different quantities of these fluids depending on the media used, starting with the optimizer, which fixes the ink at high speed, followed by the 6 colors of ink, and finished with the overcoat, a new fluid with an anti-scratch agent that increases durability on short-term applications. This overcoat can also be left off when printing a laminated application to save on costs and ensure the laminate adheres perfectly. The HP Latex 700 and 800 printer series also supports a wider range of heat-sensitive media, such as propylenes, thanks to new, lower curing temperatures. It also supports more offset and uncoated paper media, owing to a new air system in the print zone that prevents caulking. These innovations, in addition to the new damperless take-up reel, mean printing tiled applications is easier than ever, with improved color repeatability and length consistency. And finally, you can expand your portfolio into new high-margin applications with the whitest white ink without the hassle. HP Latex's flexible white ink is ideal for producing stickers, window graphics, day and night backlights, car wrappings, and more. You can use it in multiple print modes, including spot, overflood, underflood, and 3-layer mode. Maintenance is easy thanks to automatic ink recirculation and printhead cleaning. And you can minimize waste even further by storing the user-replaceable white printhead in the printer's offline rotation chamber when not in use.